first things first, you want to take this bolt out right here. That holds the track to the door. You want to also make sure you clean out all the glass that's left over in the track. If your window was broken like this customer's was. You want to grab any debris from inside the door and then you vacuum out the remaining glass from the door. Alright, grab your new window and you just slide it into the door. Takes a little finesse, but once you get it popped into the track, you'll be all set. Right here, you got to bend the track back just a little bit to pop it around the glass. Once you get it, you'll have the window in. And I took the black window trim to hold the window up because I left my tape. Yeah, I know, rookie mistake. Alright, so all the Phillips head bolts are going to be for the hardware to hold the motor and track to the door. You want to make sure you get those tabs in there whenever you pop it in. Okay, so these bolts right here, these are for the window itself, to secure the window to the motor and the track assembly. These are, like I said, it's just the hardware to mount it. Woo! Yeah, baby! Alright, first things first, you want to disconnect the window switch. There's going to be one screw under there, and there's going to be one behind the door handle. There's also going to be one tucked behind this trim piece. Okay, so on this part, I'm thinking what happened when this window was broken. I think the customer tried to let it down, so it popped off the track, as you can see here. All you gotta do is just pop it back on there, and it'll be able to slide up and down again. Do not force it before you do this, because you could break that plastic piece, and now you have to replace the whole regulator. And this is what I mean by make sure all the glass is cleaned up out the track. Like I said, you just want to make sure you vacuum all the glass out. Alright, same as the rear, you want to just slide that glass in and pop it into the track. Like I said, it does take a little finesse, but once you get it, and once again, I'm using the window molding to hold it in place because I forgot my tape like a rookie.
One eternity later.
Yes, I was fighting getting this thing back on there.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Right now I'm just trying to get the screw holes aligned. Right now I'm just trying to get the screw holes on the window aligned with the screw holes on the track. product. I do still got to take the sticker off right here. Other than that, everything works how it's supposed to, and the customer's happy, so I'm happy. That's all that matters.